Already you know the values of all trigonometric ratios with the specific angles from 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, now we have to substitute such specific values, okay, in that particular question. Find the values of sine 0, cos 30 minus tan 45, cosecant 60 plus cot 90. Okay, sine 0. Sine 0 means how much? 0 plus cos 30. You don't know the value of cos 30. So sine 60 and cos 30 both are same. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 degrees also root 3 by 2. Minus tan 45. We don't know. For example, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. That means sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that equal to 1. And cosecant 60 we don't know. But you know one thing, cosecant 60 is reciprocal of sin 60. So sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal 2 by root 3 plus cot 90. For example, you don't know. But cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. That means cos 90 by sin 90. Cos 90 equal to how much? 0. 0 by 1, that equal to 0. Okay, remaining root 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3 minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, it's LCM of the denominators. 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Okay, 2 cancel. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. Plus root 3 cancel. Remaining 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus. Okay, so here we don't have any denominator like 1. So 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. So square and root cancel, that equal to 3 plus 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. So 3 plus 4 how much? 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 is the answer. Okay. Okay, next one, same question. So find the value of this given expression 4 by 3 into tan 30. We don't know the value of tan 30. Tan 30 equal to sin 30 by cos 30. Okay, sin 30 equal to how much? 1 by 2 by cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So 2 cancel, that equal to 1 by root 3 whole square plus sin square 60. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into cos 60. Cos 60 and sin 30 both are same. Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 into tan 60. Tan 60 we don't know, but tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, that means sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, that equal to root 3 whole square. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel, that equal to root 3. Okay, minus 2 into the value of tan 45. Tan 45 always 1. Tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45. That equal to 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that equal to 1. Okay, now 4 by 3 into 1 square 1. Root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square. Square and root cancel, remaining 2. So 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 square by root 3 whole square. Square and root cancel, that equal to 1 by 3 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square means root 3 whole square by 2 square. Square and root cancel, 3 by 2 square means 4 minus 3 into 1 square means 1 by 2 square means 4 plus 3 by 4 into square and root cancel into 3 minus 2 1 are 2. Now we have to simplify it. Okay, so 1 by 1, 4 1 are 4 by 3 3 are 9 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 3 3 are 9 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel, remaining 4 by 9 plus 9 by 4 minus 2. Okay, now we have to find out the LCM of denominators. 9 4 LCM, 9 4 ja 36. 9 how much is 36? 4 ja 4 4 ja 16 plus 4 how much is 36? 9 ja 9 9 ja 81 minus minus. Okay, so it has denominator 1. Okay, 1 how much is 36? 36 36 2 ja 72, 36 2 ja 72, that equal to, now you add these positive numbers, 7 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 1 97 minus 72 by 36. 7 minus 2, that equal to 5. Okay, 9 minus 7 2, 25 by 36. The answer is 25 by 36. So this is another different model. Okay, the next one, same question. Find the value of cos 0. Cos 0 equal to how much? Cos 0 and sin 90 both are same, that equal to 1 plus sin 90. Sin 90 also same 1 plus root 2 into sin 45. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root. So root 2 cancel. That means 1 plus 1 that equal to 3 is the answer. Okay, very simple question. Okay.